gratis o libre. What's the difference? The difference is very simple. Gratis is used to talk about money or to pay zero money for something. And libre talks about the obligation of being in one place. For example, la entrada es gratis hoy, meaning the ticket to a concert, to a movie is free today. You don't have to pay for it today. Another example, compra dos y lleva uno gratis. This means buy two and take one for free. You are taking 3 items home, but you only paying for 2. One of them is free. Now, libre. Hoy es mi día libre. Today is my day off. Now here, we do not translate libre as free. We say off. Today is my day off. But it has the same sense in the word. Because when it's your day off, you're not obligated to be in one place. You're not obligated to be in your university, at school, at your job. You are free to do other things. Another example is Brittany is free, meaning she's not in jail, she's not controlled by her family, hopefully, and she is free to go wherever she wants. Okay, eso es todo por hoy. That's all for today. Any words that you would like to know? Leave your suggestions, examples, questions in the comments. Adiós.